Hello everybody, today we are making broccoli and cauliflower soup, the ultimate and original superfood soup. I love this recipe and I've been looking forward to getting it into a video for you. So without any further ado, here it is. First things first, we are going to chop our onion. And we only need to slice this into rings, as it's going to just fry for about 3 minutes in some oil. Okay, while the onion is cooking, we are going to chop the cauliflower into, again, very rough, small pieces. After the cauliflower comes the broccoli, and we are going to do the same, very rough, small pieces. We're aiming to use either one small broccoli and one small cauliflower, or about half of the big one. Something like 2 cups worth of each vegetable when it's chopped. The reason we don't care how roughly it's chopped is because we're going to throw it all into the soup pot and blend it at the end. So we're going to stick in about a tablespoon of olive oil, let that heat up. Okay, once that's hot, in go the onions, and just give it a quick mix around every now and then. We're going to cook that for about 3 minutes, so it'll just start to go soft, slightly brown, slightly see-through. That's been cooking for about 3 minutes. We're going to throw in the garlic, again roughly chopped. If you don't have any garlic, you can always use garlic salt as a replacement. We're going to get our cauliflower in, and we're going to get our broccoli in. Our vegetable stock. That is about 1 litre of stock. We're going to cook this for about 15 minutes. Every now and then we can push the vegetables down into the veggie broth a little bit. Make sure it's all getting cooked evenly. Looking good so far. Okay, so we've been simmering for about 15 minutes now. And that means we are going to get our herbs in a minute. Again, we can be pretty rough with this as it's all going to be blended. This one's basil. And of course, our mustard. That really adds to the flavour. Give it a quick stir. And once again, we'll let the flavour soak up for about 5 minutes. Going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. You can always add in a bit more when we're serving if we want to. This is also the time to add the cheddar cheese if you want to. I'm not going to. I fancy a vegan soup today, so no cheese for me. And finally, it's time to blend. We're going to use a hand blender, and we're just going to give it a quick pulse. And we are done. That is the soup blended nicely. Now it is time to serve. Would you look at that? I have just finished cooking a broccoli and cauliflower superfood soup. It is going to be delicious. I know it because I've had it before many times. It's very quick to make, and the thing I like about it most is that we keep all the vitamins and nutrients from the vegetables. Normally, if we cook vegetables in hot water or boiling water, we'll lose a lot of the water-soluble vitamins and nutrients. In this soup, we keep all of the water, we tip away no vitamins at all. That, for me, is a win. You can eat this soup how it is. It can be vegan, or you can add a little bit of cheddar cheese or a bit of cream if you so wish. No matter how you choose to eat it, the taste is guaranteed. So, enjoy. I am off to eat my soup. Bye for now.